If you keep putting off what you need to do, and your excuse is, "I have no motivation," look closer. You are not lacking motivation. You are delaying action. This analysis is based on established behavioral science and tested methods. Stay until the end to see how this pattern actually works. You think your problem is motivation. You think if you just felt more inspired, you would act. That is not the issue. The real problem is internal conflict, a civil war between the part of you that wants a future and the part of you that wants the immediate hit of dopamine. You are not being undermined by bad luck or difficult people. You are being undermined by your own impulses. Every time you delay a critical task to scroll, every time you choose comfort over the discomfort of discipline, you reinforce the habit of backing out. The external world does not care about your intentions. Your output is what it can measure. Willpower is unreliable under pressure. You need to stop negotiating with your impulses and start overruling them. This is not about motivation. This is about protocol. You are at your desk. The task is difficult. It is unclear. It carries the risk of failure. So your mind looks for an exit. The phone, the fridge, the desk, anything that feels like motion. You start organizing the space to feel productive without touching the wake. You do not negotiate with the impulse. The moment you feel the urge to escape discomfort, you initiate a complete physical and mental stop. You stand up. You place both feet flat on the floor. You do not reason with the urge. You name it. You say out loud, that is the avoidance reflex. When the impulse arises, you have exactly 3 seconds to act before the rationalization takes over. In that window, you do not think. You move. You physically remove the distraction from your environment. You do not put the phone face down. You place it in another room. You do not take a 5-minute break. You open the document and write one single, imperfect sentence. The urge is fast. The story comes after it. If you wait, the brain builds a case for delay. If you move first, the case never gets built. How many rules have you abandoned before noon and then acted like it was nothing? You set a rule for yourself: no social media before noon. By 9 a.m., you are scrolling. The rule is already broken. The exception has started. You are treating the rule as a suggestion because your identity is still that of a person who tries to be disciplined. You stop framing your choices as what you feel like doing and start framing them as what someone like you does. When the impulse arises to break your own code, you do not ask, "Do I want to do this?" You ask one question: is this what a disciplined person does? If the answer is no, the action is off the table. There is no negotiation. There is no compromise. You do not argue with the person you are becoming. You define 3 non-negotiable behaviors that define your new identity. You write them down. You do not allow exceptions. One exception gives the brain permission to file the rule as optional. That is how the rule dissolves. The human mind cannot sustain a contradiction between its self-concept and its action for long. If you define yourself as disciplined, your actions will eventually align to resolve the dissonance. How much discipline disappears the moment nobody else can see the breach? You are the only one watching. That is the vulnerability. When no external witness exists, the stakes feel lower. You are willing to let yourself down in a way you would never let a teammate down. This is a flaw in solitary self-improvement. You are too forgiving of the version of yourself that slips. You remove yourself as the sole judge of your performance. You do this not by seeking a cheerleader, but by installing a structure that creates consequences for inaction. You do not rely on memory or motivation. You set a hard deadline with an external consequence that matters to you. If you are a writer, you tell a peer you will send a draft by Friday. You include a financial penalty if you fail. If you are building a business, you pre-schedule the announcement of your launch date to an audience. You make the cost of inaction higher than the cost of discomfort. You also create a public log. You record your adherence to your 3 non-negotiable behaviors daily. You share this log with one person, not for validation, but for visibility. The moment your behavior becomes observable, the cost of failure goes up. Private failure stays cheap. Visible failure does not. You now have a framework. The impulse interrupt protocol to bypass the escape reflex. The identity lock to stop negotiating with your own rules. The accountability architecture to make your failure expensive. These are not tips. This is a strategic operating system for self-governance. The gap between who you are and who you want to be is not closed by inspiration. It is closed by adherence, by the rules you follow when nobody can reward you for it. You have the tools. The question is no longer if you can initiate. The question is whether you will treat yourself with the same discipline you would demand of a professional. Stop giving your own excuses a final word. This channel is about upgrading the strategy behind your psychology. For the next layer of control, subscribe.